Hello everybody. Today in this video we will talk about Numpy arrays. We will do the following in this video: creating Numpy arrays, converting existing objects to Numpy arrays such as Python lists. In the next video we will talk about some built-in functions of Numpy arrays. Then we will talk about creating arrays and matrices of random values. Now let's get started. Okay, so here I am in my Google Colab notebook. If you want to use Jupyter Notebook, you can use that too. If you don't know how to set up Google Colab Notebook and Jupyter Notebook, then you need to go back and watch my tutorial on setup and installation of this course. Now let's start off by importing Numpy. Also, a quick note, due to my schoolwork and extra classes, I can't make videos on time. In case if some of you are thinking that my other Python beginner course has ended, then let me tell you that I'm going to continue posting videos on that course playlist. It's just that I really want to teach you guys about machine learning because this is my favorite topic. So in short, I'm still going to be posting videos of Python, but once in a week. Okay, so let's get back to this video now. To import Numpy, I need to type import Numpy as np. And for convention, I've said here to import Numpy as np, meaning that instead of saying Numpy as whole, I can just say np. Well, now let's execute it. Right now it's going to take some time to be initiated and get a connection with the backend so that it can start working. Okay, now let's see how we can create arrays using Numpy. So as discussed in my other Python beginner course, to create a list in Python, you need to create one using square brackets. Let me show you how. Now to convert this list to an array, what I can do is call the array function of the Numpy library, np.array, then pass in the list. Again, np is a reference to the Numpy library as I defined earlier using as keyword as np, as you can see here. As you can see, it is indicating array with having the list we earlier made inside the brackets. I can do the same with the nested list. Let's see an example of it here. What I've done here is created lists inside of a list, which is basically also known as nested list. And when I will call it, you can see that nothing is special here. But now when I will convert this to a Numpy array using the array function, Numpy will keep in mind the shape of the nested list, and then it will format this as a 2D matrix of 3 rows and 3 columns. You can also see the actual dimension here with the number of brackets in the beginning and at the end. So this array is 2D. Also, if you don't want to convert lists into Numpy arrays but want to just create arrays directly off the function, what you can do is just simply call the Numpy array function, then pass in the list. Let me show you how. As you can see that the output is same. Looks great. Now let's see how we can generate arrays. Let's cover a few of those. One way to do this is by using np arrange function. Arrange actually. It's like this. Arrange, not arrange. Starting from 0 up to 11, but not including 11. You can see that it has generated 1D array here. Now let me show you something else too. This is basically the step size, meaning that I'm telling this function to jump the elements every 2 times. Let's execute it and see the results. Okay, now that's it for this video. All I needed to show you is how to create Numpy arrays and how to convert lists into Numpy arrays. Now in the next video, I'll show you more functions like arrange in Numpy that can be used to generate arrays quickly.